Hi everybody, my name is Amber and I'm with Craftaboo, and today we're going to be going over a tutorial for a really fun stitch called the crab stitch. It's basically a single crochet, but let's make it complicated because why not? So let's get right into it. Okay, so like I said, it's basically the single crochet, but we're just making it a little more complicated just for funsies. So a regular single crochet stitch, you usually work left to right. Now I'm a right-handed crocheter, so I can't speak for the lefties, but this is how I usually work. I usually go this direction. So instead of going this way like we normally do, this is our normal single crochet, just like this. La-di-da, we're going about our day, we're making our project, right? Okay, regular single crochet. But instead of that, we are going the opposite direction. Now, once you can get your mind and your hands to stop arguing with you, this becomes very simple and straightforward. So instead of this stitch, we're going to be working into this stitch. We are going this direction instead of this direction. So we're going to treat it like a normal single crochet. We're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through two. Okay? And then let's do that again. The next stitch and the next stitch. Now, at this point, your brain is going, no, you're going the wrong way. Ignore your brain. It's lying to you. This is the way to do it. And look how cool it is. It's starting to form this little rope textured edge. And that is exactly what you want to see at this point. This is what this stitch is meant to do. I love using it for borders because it creates this great texture without adding extra bulk to your project. So if you just keep going this direction and without overthinking too hard, you can see the rope border is starting to form, and it's really fun. It adds a great little flair to any project. And like I said, it's the single crochet, just make it a little more complicated for funsies. So that is it. It is really very simple. It is that easy. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm always here to help, and I would love to see your variation of a crab stitch and where you use it. Thanks so much for tuning in.